Do you feel like you're too busy to cook? Or maybe you're unsure of exactly what to make? Are you confused about how to best fuel yourself and your family? Well, you're not alone, because in today's world, it's actually really difficult to understand what to eat to fuel your body, to maximize your health, and to live an active lifestyle at the same time.
For people with diabetes like us, it can be even more difficult to find convenient, healthy food that tastes great and helps you control your blood glucose with precision. This is why in this video, we'll be breaking down why fruits and vegetables are your secret weapon, how easy it can be to enjoy plant-based meals, and we're including 5 plant-based recipes your body and your palate will both love.
And make sure to watch until the end, because the secret to making these recipes so good for you is actually not what you might think. Now, even though you may not be used to eating them, it turns out that fresh fruits and vegetables are actually the quickest and healthiest options for those living with a busy schedule. It turns out your mom was right when she told you to eat more fruits and vegetables because they're healthy for you. Thanks, Mom. Imagine waking up and grabbing a few bananas or a few peaches or a handful of berries. You walk out the door and within minutes you're fueled for the day and you have ample energy to handle your busy schedule.
But why is fresh produce so great? Well, we're glad you asked. Here are a few reasons why fresh produce is a great choice. Fresh produce is easy to eat and often requires zero preparation. Fresh produce is more affordable than packaged, nutrient-poor food. Most fresh fruits and many fresh vegetables can be stored at room temperature.
Now, most fresh produce doesn't require cooking, which is a big plus if you're short on time. And eating more vegetables has been shown to drastically reduce the risk of developing many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes simultaneously.
So what's the bottom line? Well, that fresh fruits and vegetables are powerhouses of nutrition, providing an abundance of micronutrients to support tissue function.
One of the biggest complaints that people have when considering eating a plant-based diet is that they feel like they're giving up on creative or interesting foods that they're used to eating. And we're here to tell you that that's not always the truth.
You might be used to all of your meals being packed with meat and dairy, but they don't have to be. Which is why we put together 5 low-fat, plant-based, whole food recipes that are tasty and nutritious and have been proven by science to improve your sensitivity to insulin. So they'll give your taste buds the party they deserve and give your brain and muscles the nutrition they deserve. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Let's start with the layered salad with black beans and mango cucumber salsa. I'm salivating just thinking about it. Okay, mangoes add a tropical flair to any morning. And with this meal, you can throw the mango salsa and a can of black beans together and just head out the door. This is a really good breakfast option, and it's guaranteed to keep you fueled for a busy day. But it's also container friendly, and it makes a great lunch option when used to top on a bowl of quinoa. You can even use it to top a luscious bowl of greens for dinner.
And next up, we have a plant-based ceviche for the tasty, tart flavor of fresh ceviche without the raw fish. This dish requires some chopping, but it can be made a few days ahead and kept in the fridge for exactly when you need it. And you can throw it on top of quinoa or rice if you need more fuel for lunch on super busy days. Plus, it's a flexible recipe. Use only 1/4 an avocado to reduce the total fat content.
Now for number 3, we have an instant hit that we consider one of our absolute favorite meals. It's a good old classic squash, sweet potato, and corn chowder that the whole family will love. And trust me when I say that, because we've made this multiple times and many non-plant-based members of our families are constantly asking us for the recipe. This recipe is sweet, and it's hearty, and it's delicious, and it's packed with nutrients. The best part is that no matter how tasty and filling this recipe is, it won't leave you feeling heavy or bloated, which is always good. There's another option for preparing this, which is to make it in a batch. Try making some at the beginning of the week and then continue to eat it over the course of multiple days.
And next up, we have ridiculously easy curried chickpeas and quinoa. This is a fabulous recipe if you're looking for something quick that also has some kick to it. It's no secret that chickpeas and quinoa are 2 awesome sources of nutrients, and when you put them together, it's hard to beat. It's a flexible meal. Eat it warm or use it cold as a filling for lettuce wraps to make a healthy and nutrient-dense meal option. Plus, you can customize the spices and have a little fun here to dial it in to your preferences.
And last but certainly not least, you have a super cheap and super quick Indian Dahl. Now, this is a great filling staple to bring into the week, and it'll break your hunger without breaking the bank. This recipe isn't just quick and cost-effective, it's also very tasty and filled with turmeric, coriander, and cumin to delight all of your senses. The spices add an incredible flavor and are also very powerful medicines for many tissues in your body. They're packed with antioxidants and medicinal compounds. So you've really got a meal here that covers all of your bases.
And you want to know the best part about these 5 recipes? They're just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, you can check out tons of recipes just like these on our website, along with the weekly meal plan. They're all tasty, creative, and packed with green light foods that'll improve your insulin resistance and your overall health.
Now, you've probably noticed us mention the phrase green light a whole lot in this video and other videos as well. That's a reference to the Mastering Diabetes Nutrition Guidelines, which are designed to help you reverse insulin resistance and completely transform your health if you're living with any form of diabetes. And if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, keep listening. There's a reason that so many people are talking about their A1C miracle. It's because this method is very powerful.
We have a range of programs from group coaching to private coaching, which can all help you take control of your life. In order to find out which option is best for you, we suggest booking a free discovery call. Simply click the link below and you'll be directed to a page where you can book a time that works for you and speak with a member of the Mastering Diabetes team. And you never know, you just might speak to me or Cyrus.
And don't forget to push that fun little cute like button with your thumb or with your mouse to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications by clicking that cute little bell icon right next to it. When you do, you're going to be notified of more videos to give you the inside scoop on how to master your diabetes health once and for all.